Hey, real quick, I just want to remind you all of my giveaway for your S550 Euro style taillights I have here from V-Land. This pair could be yours for just the price of a t-shirt. I will have a link in the description. All you got to do is snag up a shirt. If you got both shirts, you'll get double the amount of entries for the taillights for your S550. All right, everybody, welcome back. Day 2 of Mustang Week. We are here at the drag strip. They're doing ride-alongs with drifting, drag racing. I'm all set. I got all teched in. I just dropped the tire pressure a little bit. So we got, it's nothing special. Still got the street tires. So I'm just doing testing too. I'm not doing anything crazy. I know there's different classes and stuff like that. Snot Rocket is here from Texas 2K. Well, once I go over there, we'll go take a look at his car. He just did a pass, right? Snot Rocket?
Yeah. About a half hour ago. Okay,
so I'm sure he'll go again. So I'm gonna throw my pants on because I got on shorts, get my helmet, and then go get in line. Hopefully I can make at least a couple passes. Okay, so I'm in line for the test and tune. They're kind of blended us in with the True Street class. So with the True Street class here, what they're doing is they do a pass and then they go on like a 30-mile cruise. I don't know where the map is for that. Then they come back around, they do another pass. So because I'm in test and tune, how they're organizing all this, I do a pass, I can't do another pass for another 2 or 3 hours. So I might just get one good solid pass in, and that's it for myself. So after I do my pass, if I indeed need to wait that long, then I'll do my pass, watch the other people drag racing. I'm gonna try to hop in a drift car if I can. If not, that's fine. And yeah, just go from there. I have no idea what's going on. I'm kind of just playing it by ear, I guess. So also, the DA right now is like 3,300, so it's terrible. It's humid as hell, really humid. I'm already like sweating my balls off right now. So it's just 8th mile, just doing it for fun. But hopefully, I don't know. The DA sucks. It's just humid right now. So just waiting to get my passing. I bogged it off the line there. I wanted to wait to build up a little RPM before I took off. And I went and it felt good after that though, so I don't really care. It was good. All right, so this is, I guess, constructive criticism, I guess. So the time in between all the events, so I can't go again for another 3 hours. So I drove an hour to get here from the resort. I'm only allowed to do just one pass, and I gotta wait until the True Street class is over again, have them go do their cruise, and then come back, and I can't do another test and tune pass until they come back. Not really a fan of that, especially for people that drive an hour or longer to get here from whichever hotel that they're staying at. And that's the result based upon the class that they chose. So I don't know. I don't see why they can't continue to run test and tune in between until they come back. I don't know. Just my 2 cents. Other than that, it's a fantastic event. I just wish they would allow the test and tune people to be able to make more passes. Here in the booths, the drift pits. We got the RTRs. So I just want to point out, I just got a turbo for the Mustang.
That's his rape whistle. Don't let
Yeah,
him play.
James says this is my rape whistle.
Well, Katie says rape
When you
whistle.
blow it, it sounds like... No homo. When you blow it, it sounds like a turbo.
Yeah, the
Yep.
way that sounds.
Yeah, so we're gonna
Total homo.
install this tonight. It's super small, so it should be like super quick spool. Okay, we're picking this up here at the Friday night meet at Moody Gardens. You got the Moody Gardens resort right there, and the 3 pyramids, and you got the 4th there in the back. This is freaking large. So they're parking all the groups together. The rest of the DFW S550 group is gonna be right here. I'm the first DFW S550 member that's here. All these are different car clubs. All this will be packed all right here. Yeah, it reminds me of Fuel Fest. There's a stage over in the corner, vendors, and this even goes on the other side of the pyramids. And it doesn't even start for like an hour, so I just wanted to get here early to get a spot, like, you know, I always do. So this is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a lot of Mustangs. Hey, also for anyone that's gonna be here this weekend for Mustang Week, I got shirts for the giveaway. So I got tons of sizes of the Cricket Society shirt, the 60-year-old shirt, tons of sizes. Anything, I got your size. To get entered to win the Euro taillights, just like the pair that I have here, all you gotta do is pick up a shirt and it gets you entered for the giveaway. So if you are here for Mustang Week, come see me and snag up a shirt. Hey, look who decided to show up not wearing a Hawaiian shirt. Thank God.
Thank God.
Come on up.
Well, it depends on how much drinking he's going to do, then you have to drive.
That's good.
What a fucking...
Was that a shit show or what?
Oh my God.
Dude, the line here is ridiculous, and it was bad when I got here.
Shit show might be an underestimate.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
I was just admiring his Mach 1. Yeah.
Like Dom Toretto.
Except, you know,
older.
he's a little bit buffer than you.
Oh, a lot buffer
Just
than me.
a little bit, yeah.
I drive better.
He's a tool.
he's a tool.
That's
Well, yeah,
okay.
I'm just, I've been hanging out here by myself, and we're right next to the bar, which is nice. So, when we run out, I might go there
As
first.
I start walking around looking at cars, I might be here all freaking night.
Oh, yeah.
Good luck
The
getting
line.
out, man.
This reminds me of Fuel Fest.
My son
Yeah.
is still trying to get here.
Might be
He's
even
back there somewhere.
bigger than Fuel Fest, I think.
I figure right around 5,000 cars.
I mean, look at all these beautiful...
And then
Oh, yeah.
Look at all
it
these
even goes on the
beautiful
other side of the pyramids, too. There's other bullshit on
Yeah,
that
there's
side.
that part over there is the vendor area
Yeah.
where they have all the merch.
Yeah, yeah.
Which I'm gonna be spending some buckies.
Yeah. So,
I gotta stay away from those guys.
Pro Charger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need to stay away from where's the other ones? There's a couple other ones I need to stay
It's gonna be a good night.
away
All right, we're at the Ford Performance booth. RTR S650 Mach 1. So it's 50. There, buy it. Nice. Got the Recaros. All right, so Pro Charger obviously just released their kits not too long ago for the S650s. This is what they got for the S650s. Pro Charger booth here at Mustang Week. What's your name?
Sean.
Appreciate it, man.
Nice to meet you,
Appreciate you. Is your car here?
I'm riding with somebody, yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I watch your nice 6130 tests all the time. Stuff like
Yeah, I want to redo that because that was like on a really hot, humid day. The DA was like 3,800.
that.
It was pretty bad, so I want to
Makes sense.
do that again. So I'll make another one. That's always another excuse to make a video. So I'm gonna be adding boost here soon also as well. So
You here all week or just?
I'm here all day tonight. I'm here all day tomorrow. And we're heading out Sunday, but I'll be here again tomorrow.
I wish I could be here all day or
Yeah.
all
Yeah.
weekend.
Well,
Yeah. Hey, it was nice
I
meeting you,
appreciate
sir.
you watching.
I appreciate it.
yeah,
Thanks.
take care.
Thanks for the support.
What's your thought on this color?
I love it.
I don't know if I like it. I mean, it's pretty.
Well, green's my favorite color.
It's got the performance pack, the pretty carbon fiber wheels.
Carbon fiber wheels are kind of cool.
Yeah. You don't want to You don't want to fuck them up. That's the problem.
Yeah, so I would never have that.
I don't know.
Ooh, that's my truck though right there.
Got the ported blower. All right. I like this green better. It's more loud.
Obvious.
How you doing, man?
I've never done it before.
Yeah.
Obvious.
Hulk. He was at the meet last night. My exact trim, spec, grabber blue, night pony package, 22, 23. Except he's not lowered. He's got a different spoiler though. The louvers. But he's got the blocked out tails. Looks like stock exhaust though, but same trim, same spec as mine. Okay, I wanted to show you guys this. This is the S197. Completely redone. You got the S197 interior. This is a 2012, they said. But look at that.
One more time.
So they said
Y'all ready to see
the
some
hang on,
burnout?
I go hold my drink. Got it.
All right, we're here Friday night.
$125,000 starting price for this. But that is beautiful. It's got the Coyote, Gen 1 Coyote, I assume. But that, yeah, this is a 2012. That's beautiful. Here's James here with a YouTube channel without his camera. James.
I'm priorities. You got to clean the machine.
Yeah, he,
It's
I don't think he's cleaned this thing since he got here. He's working on it. It's getting clean. But it's got some shit on it. All right, so we're just kind of walking around. We on the other side of the pyramids. This is where a lot of the other vendors are. A lot of other builds. But yes, that's my daughter right there. Being weird.
I've always been.
We got street tacos. All the food vendors over there. But yeah. Perfect location for Mustang Week. Galveston. I love it. 1, 2, 3, go! All right, DSG, I see you. Where are you guys at? Okay, I don't have a lot of light, but I'm in line to go ride in a Mustang drifting. So when my time arises, we'll go around in a drift car.
Hey, we keep that camera inside.
Absolutely. All right.
Throw your seatbelt down for him.
Hey, what's your name?
Travis.
I'm Aaron. Nice to meet you.
Here's your seatbelt for
All right.
you. I'm a man. Good luck.
Thank you.
Ready to rip?
Let's do this shit. Come on. That's badass. Fast but badass.
Yeah, it's quick, but
Yeah.
still a good time.
Thank you, man.
Hell yeah, man. Thanks for
Appreciate
coming
you.
out.
Thank you. Yeah, so apparently,
Thought y'all left.
no, we just went to the bathroom. So apparently, we can't stay here. So we originally thought for people that are coming back here tomorrow for the car show, we could just leave our cars here and walk back from the hotel because this is across the street. But apparently they're making it harder on themselves to have everybody repark back here again. So it just makes sense for people that are staying at the resort to just leave their shit here. But it's whatever. So, all right. What time does the show even start tomorrow? Like 9?
Let's see. I downloaded the flyer.
Either way, it's fine. It's just seems like it's just more work for them to have all of us come back here tomorrow. Am I wrong? Right? I mean, all right, man. I'll see you. See you tomorrow. All right. So everyone's clearing out. Back here again tomorrow for the actual car show, just a bigger version of what tonight was, if it gets any bigger. So, but went along in a drift car. That was awesome. We'll be back here tomorrow. A bigger version of what today was. It's all right. But anyway, on that note, if you guys are watching and you're not subscribed, please do me a favor. I know it's dark. I'm sorry. Hit subscribe, drop a like, and a comment, and I will see you guys in day 3 tomorrow. Have a good night. See ya. Bye.